Morgan. I'm going to be filming July 10th through the 16th. I am behind because this is actually from Saturday, so I am behind, but hey, we can still do this. And I went ahead and I pulled out these, washi tape around. I'm using these bird themed stickers from Dollar Tree, and I thought we can do a bird spread. This is what they look like. Very pretty. Got those. I have some green and white washi, some dark burnt orange. I have a blue with some white striping, and I have some Heidi Swap stickers I thought I could use for some notification things. And I have this amazing washi tape I thought I'd go ahead and break out and use. I have some date cover stickers, and I have red, silver, and blue themes. I thought I'll probably use the silver. Okay, okie dokie. I might use some emoji stickers as well in this spread. I'm not quite sure. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. I think I'm going to go ahead and start with this bottom. I don't really like the bottom part there. So I'm going to use my cutter tool and just need a piece of construction or pink. I think I might, this pink should be big enough. I'm going to be hopeful, and hopefully, yes. Yay. That makes me happy. And pencil. Okay. Go ahead and mark where I need to do these. It's kind of going to be a quick plan with me, because in fact I am behind. One more little piece. There we go. Let me make sure we are even. Yes. And now we need one more piece. Just one more itty bitty piece. Literally. Just a little piece. There. Don't want nothing too dramatic. We'll just measure. I need a little more cut off. Just very little. Okay. Let's see. And that'll do. Need about less than an inch cut off at the bottom. You can always measure these ahead of time. I just went ahead and cut them on camera just so you guys can see what I do for these. I am using these tape dots from Dollar Tree, I'm pretty sure it is, and I went ahead and I don't talk today. Just gonna, maybe. Is it not? It's like it's not wanting. It's like it's not wanting to work today. Try the other one. use the other one, so yes, here we go. Sunworks. Must be that one. That might be a little stubborn. Let's see. Get my head in. Get that down. Nice and sticky tape too. I like that tape. Okay. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this tape and just kind of line it across. But I do not want it to pass this mark there. So I'm gonna take scissors and just cut the end. Okay, now that's done. For the top half, you can also measure some of that pink and do the top as well. I think we're going to do that just to make it a little easier to manipulate. Just going to measure it up. It's going to be about the same length. Side. I might go a little longer for that. Okay. Can't grab the piece of paper worth the crap today. Okay, there's that. I want to go on this side. This side, I'm going to go ahead and measure out just kind of a simple outline of this paper here. Yeah, I don't want anything too dramatic. There we go. Okay, and I am going to go ahead and cut my sidebar as well because I need it to cover up a few things on here. I don't care if it's at the bottom, doesn't cover. I might just use stickers to cover that up, and I'll just have the rest for the washi. Okay, I went ahead and use my this guy here. Just gonna line the top with some tape. Some people use glue. I use glue too sometimes, depending. And take that down. Go ahead and do my other side. Just gonna get a good bit, just because I really want it to stick. So I don't have no pop-ups. No pop-ups. Okay, there's that. We're going to work on the date cover-ups now. Now, shall I work on the numbers? Or the numbers. Let's see. 9th. I think it's the 10th through the 16th. We'll go in here. So we'll find. This might take me a little longer now that I think about it, because I gotta get my numbers. These are really nice silver colors. Okay. There's the 10. So should I do them all in silver? Yeah, I'm going to just do them all in silver. Or should I flip-flop? Like, colors. So it'll be red, blue, and then silver. So it'll be 11, 12, 13. I think that's what I want to do. Cute twist. Oh, I did that too low, didn't I? Oh no, pull it back up. Pull it back up, sticker. Gotcha. I thought I did that way too low at the beginning there. There we go. And then be right here, so be 14, 15, 16. Go ahead and get my 6 here real quick. 16. 16th was our reunion, so but that already passed, so I don't really have to worry about that any longer. But on here I need to put for it 11. And then I need the 14th. Again, you can get these numbers from the Dollar Tree. They have them. It's cheaper than if you buy them probably about anywhere else. I like these. I think they work fabulous on your planner. I need 12. It's going pretty fast now. I'm trying to, well, I'll say something now and my 2's not going to come up. No. My 2's not going to come up. Guys, oh, these are being a pain in the butt. There it goes. My Lanza. If you guys ever have trouble taking them off, just leave them alone. And then I need the 15th. Make sure if you guys, this is the old planner. I have the 2-year. Mine runs kind of different. I'm out. Okay. Kind of almost ripped, but fine. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put my date covers. Mine starts with Sunday. I have mine differently. I'm just going to put these down just kind of simply. Try not to mess up, but I want them to be directly on top of this line here. There we go. Still a little crooked, but it'll be fine. Okay, Wednesday. I know some things that we did on this week, and some whatnot. So, okay. Now that we have that, I'm going to go ahead and do my washi. I'm going to put, I know this lacy bottom, I'm actually going to put where the pink is. So that's where I really won't. Take your scissors, trim. I'm just go ahead and trim my pieces where I want them. I have some left. Woohoo! I love this washi. I looked at Dollar Tree because I was in there today and I was going to buy another roll of it and they didn't have it anymore. Okay. Just line this up. Not really precisely or anything. Sorry if I'm out of frame a little bit. I don't think I am. And just trim off my leftover pieces. This is a lace, like just like a trimming. Okay. Go ahead and lay this completely down. It's a little tapey up here, so we'll have to help that. Okay, we got the tape part done. And now I'm going to go ahead and take this blue and white trimming, and it's going to be where my header parts will be. And I'm just going to take a bail ruler. I'm going to start with the 13th through the 16th. And, oh, nope. I hate these washi tape come from, I believe, the Dollar Tree, and they kind of suck. Just saying. They suck. They rip so easily. Yeah. They're so junky and hard to use. I don't really want to use a different one, but we'll see how this goes. Seems like a dark orange. Trying to stay with the lining. They're easy to rip, but they're so difficult. I think I'm going to go ahead and do all this dark orange color just to make it flow. There's all different colors in the birds, so that's kind of why I just went with a different piece. Now I'm going to do the 10th through the 12th, and just quick spread. Sorry if you hear noises in the background or anything. I'm doing this kind of earlier than what I usually do my plan with these. I usually am like kind of late at night doing them, and I'm slightly early. And now I'm going to go ahead and finish off doing that. And now I'm going to work, I think I'm going to do my sideboard now, just to get that kind of out of the way and do it. I think I'm going to use this like pinkish header. I'm just going to line it like that. There is a little bit of leftover here, but I might put 2 headers down, or I can just white it out. I might just white it out. Yeah, I'm just going to white it out. I just use a regular whiteout because it's a lot easier than the roll-on. I have the actual roll-on kind. Now for the trimming on the side here, I have a green and white striped washi that I'll use. This just brings in some coloring difference. Let me try this even. Sometimes my stuff isn't even, depending. Kind of moved on me, but that's fine. And we'll line down here with it just a smidge of the one little line. I'm just going to roll over the sides. And now in this box, I am going to use, I can't talk today. I'm going to just use and I'm just going to put important. This is actually my bill tracker one. I'll put important, and then do I have, I don't think I had no birthdays. No, but on the 16th I am going to put celebrate on here. I'm going to actually put it at the bottom, or all day. I should have it like that. And then have some arrows. I have a gray arrow. It would actually match the spread perfectly. Oh, that's it. Celebrates uneven though. There we go. And then down here, I don't have no other. Arrows. That's the bad part. I have these little baby arrows that you kind of use just to go kind of along 8 that way. For here, I'm just going to use a purple pen, and I'm going to write bills, which, let's see, okay, health insurance. That's it actually for this week for bills, is just health insurance. Shawl. I'm going to use a sunglass or a minder dude, and I just center him right there just to give me a reminder. And then I'll write on the 13th, which is, this is already paid, so I don't even have to. Health insurance due, and I'll write down the amount. Down here it's kind of sticky and it's driving me crazy because it's catching my arm, or tacking. Can't talk today. I'm going to just take this green washi, and I'm literally just going to put it down where this trimming is. Down here because I cannot stand it anymore because it's just driving me crazy, y'all. Okay, I'm going to do it. I'm not going to do it to this one. It'd be a little odd, but that one's not sticky like the other one is. For a reminder, I'm just going to use this little girl that has a pink bow as a reminder. And, let's see. Again, about that, guys. I think my camera battery's almost dead. Okay, real quickly. Go ahead and okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and decorate. This is going to be for my, just for decorating purposes. I'm just going to use, where's the, I'm going to use this rest of this border here and just stick it right here. And what I want to do is I want to write bills at the top. No, I only have one for this week. Bills. And I want to add a emoji. Let's see. We'll use one with glasses. I have one with glasses. I'll put health and that. And then I'm going to put also feather at the middle. And put this, oh my god, I'm just throwing everything today. This girl. I'm going to put family reunion July 16th of 16. That's weird. And then I'll put the date for this, which was July 13th of 16. Kind of like that. Just to symbolize that those two things happened this week here. And I'm going to put this sun right in the corner here. And I'm going to use this pizza on the side. I love a pizza. It's so cute. You open your eyes. I'm going to put open. There's these googly eyes on the side. Just to know that you have to keep everything open. These two hands right in the corner here. Again, not going really all out. I'm just putting here and there emojis. Eventually I'm going to do an emoji spread. It's definitely an emoji spread. If I had washi tape that had emojis, I'd probably do it. But I don't. Okay. I want to go ahead and put this stuff in my planner. And go ahead and post it all in. Planner's getting way full. Way. And we'll put these in. There we go. Kind of boring spread. I'm just going to call it the bird spread because that's basically what it is. And I'll do the 17th through the 23rd, which is our anniversary week. I have a bunch of different variety of stickers I'm going to be using. I just have to figure out what washi tape and stuff. That's why it's on hold for that. But this is the spread right here is also up on my channel, which I'll link in this plan with me here and also my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this spread and stay tuned for another spread in this planner and also my smaller planner, and I hope you guys enjoy and like and subscribe.